Okay, hello everyone and welcome to our Learning How webinar. I'm Kunal and I'm excited to be host for today's session. Today we have our expert trainer, Mr. Nizam, and he will be sharing a very interesting topic about PowerPoint apps, animation, transition, and data visualization. During the session, you may ask questions in the chat box below. Mr. Nizam will answer the question at end of the session. Without waiting any longer, I hand out the floor to Mr. Nizam. Thank you.
Hey, all right. Hi everyone. Thank you, Kunalan, for the good introduction. Okay, hi. I saw lots of people joining right now. Okay, let me see how many people do we have here. I've been informed we have around 100 plus. But yeah, now people are coming in. Okay, good. Hi Rishamno. Hi Lian Subun. Hi Jenin. Hi Hu Chi Kyong. Hi Wong. Hi Maisara. Hi all of you. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Saiful Nizam bin Mokhtar. Okay, I'm a trainer for Microsoft Office products. Okay, such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Power BI, Power Query. Okay, those are my expertise, and I'm not only teaching in Microsoft Office. I also do for Adobe and also Autodesk products. Okay, so without any further ado, okay, let me share my screen first. Okay, so today we are going to talk about Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, we're going to talk about Microsoft PowerPoint, and I hope let me share first. Yeah, good. Okay, good. Let me check first a few things. Here we got some chat. There's nothing in the chat. Good morning. Okay, good. Nice. Done. Okay. As we all know, we all use Microsoft PowerPoint, okay? But the only question is, how do we use it to make it a proper slides for presentation? And do we use a proper transition, or do we use a proper animation? And how do we visualize our data in Microsoft PowerPoint? So that's the main question in Microsoft PowerPoint. Guys, I've been doing training for almost 14 years, okay? And based on my experience, some of us, maybe we use Microsoft PowerPoint the wrong way. Maybe we use it in the wrong way. And maybe in your company, you have your own template. But when I ask, what is the format of the template? Okay, if you tell me your format of template is in PPTX, okay, such as a normal PowerPoint like this one, let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, these are my desktop. Okay, you see, in my desktop, there's my PowerPoint. Yeah, here, see this one? I got this Felda Power PPTX. If your template is in this format, this is not a template. Okay, not a template. Okay, because there are things that if you use a proper template, there are things that proper template can do, but your PPTX cannot do. That's why sometimes people face problems such as if they have video in their slides, or they want to attach the font with their slides, okay, and there are a few other documents or things that need to do in their Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, before I start with anything, let me show you the version of my Microsoft PowerPoint here. Okay, I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Okay, so this is my version. If you ask me, hey, Nizam, how to check my version, just go to PowerPoint, okay, and then you go to account, and here you can see there is your version. Okay, like mine, I'm using Microsoft Office 365. If you are not using the same version with me, maybe there are something that I can do but you cannot do. Okay, but it's okay. It's good for you to know how to use Microsoft PowerPoint properly. Okay, give me a second. Can I disable something? Oh, sorry. All right. So I hope that the admin. Where's my admin? Okay, where's my admin host? Okay, good. Wait, tak apalah. Okay, good. All right. Guys, so this is my Microsoft PowerPoint, and don't worry, if you look at my PowerPoint right now, On my right side here, I have be amazed, deck comment, characters, etc., etc., etc. Don't worry about that, okay? Because these are some add-on that I use, that I have, okay? And if you are using Microsoft Office 2019, you will able to have this kind of add-on for your Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, so don't worry about that. Okay, first of all, when you use Microsoft PowerPoint, most of the time, why I tell you we use it wrongly, normally we start by opening our template first. So that's the thing that is happening in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, in PowerPoint, there are things that you shouldn't do. If you use Microsoft PowerPoint, then you select this box and you delete it to fill in or to insert any item you want, whether it's a text, images, video, etc. Okay, those are not the proper manners of using Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, guys, here I got few examples of Microsoft PowerPoint slides that I can show to you how to do it. Okay, and I will explain to you whether you are able to do it or not. Okay, these are all the sample of Microsoft PowerPoint slides that I have previously. Okay, so maybe for this 1 hour, I will try my best to explain to you how to create some things like this. Okay, if you look at my first slides here, okay, that is my first slides. Okay, I'm going to share it. Okay, so guys, this is my first slides of Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, and if you can see on my bottom slide of my slides, okay, on my bottom part of my slides, there is a translation. Okay, and actually that translation, it can transcribe whatever I said into, I think, more than 20 languages. So if you do presentation for foreigners, example, if you want to do presentation for one Japanese client and they are not able to speak English fluently and they are not also able to speak Bahasa fluently, you can use your PowerPoint to transcribe to Japanese language. Okay, that's a good features if you are using Microsoft Office 365. Okay, good. Now, look at this slide. Look at that image. And how do I create it? That is the first method that I use to create the slides. Okay, you look at the slide. First of all, don't worry about those how does color key. Don't worry about the text all. Just look at the image. Okay, so how do I separate those image into multiple parts? Okay, and how does that text come out after all the things come in? Okay, that is animation. Next, guys. Okay, if you look at this one, you look at the color. Okay, how do I choose the color? And how do I make the color? And how do you can use this kind of color in your Microsoft PowerPoint? And how to make this kind of animation in your PowerPoint? Okay, one more. Okay, this is a very simple example for transition. This is the hottest transition method that we have in town right now. Okay, you see, if I go next, it will zoom and the text will comes in. If I go next, it will zoom and the text will comes in. If I go next, it will zoom and also the text will comes in. Okay, good. Okay, next one. If you look at this one, you look at my slides. I got a running video, I got a running animation in my slides. Okay, this means you can use video in your slides. Okay, you can use a video in your slides. All right. Okay, I hope you know what I'm talking about right now. Okay, let me show you how do I do the first slides here. Okay, how do I do the first type of slides like this? In Microsoft PowerPoint, guys, in Microsoft PowerPoint, we can design, okay, we can do whatever we want with our slides. It is not limited to certain design only, and you can do whatever idea that you have in your mind. Good. Okay, let's say I have a blank PowerPoint slides here. Okay, I want to insert an image of a car into the slides. Okay, definitely PowerPoint is not something like Microsoft and not something like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator that you can mask item this and that and this. We cannot do that, right? Okay, but in Microsoft PowerPoint, we can try to hijack their method that they have here to make image like that. Okay, if you look at this car, okay, this image of car, this sample of the car image, you see, this is one part. Okay, this is one part, and this is also one part. But actually, that image come from one single image only. Okay, how do I do that? It's very simple. The first one, I just go to insert. Okay, from insert, then I go to shapes. I know everybody knows how to use shapes. Okay, you can choose whatever shapes you want. Okay, I choose this kind of shape, which is parallelogram, and draw the shapes. Okay, I got a good news for you. Whoever likes to use Microsoft PowerPoint shapes, if you see any yellow marks here, that means these shapes can be amended. Yeah, okay. Example, if I move this yellow button here, you see the size of the shapes, it change. Okay, not only the width and the height, okay, you also can change it. Okay, if I go to any other type of shapes, let's say I go to shapes and I go to maybe triangle. There's a yellow dot there. Click and move. Now you can change your shapes. Not only that, in Microsoft PowerPoint, for your information, you are able to edit points in these shapes. How? You click inside the shapes, and then there's a shape format. This is what we call as contextual ribbon. It only appears if you click inside certain objects in your Microsoft PowerPoint, Words, or Excel. Okay, so let's say I click here, and there is shape format. On your left side, there is edit shapes. Okay, if I edit or I choose edit points, there are points that can be edited. Okay, there are points that can be edited. Okay, and as you can see, there's a small box here. This is actually handles to change your shapes. If you click here, it also got the same box. Click and move. It will change. Okay, so you can customize your shapes based on whatever you want. So that is about shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Yeah, you can use those kind of shapes. Don't worry, in Microsoft PowerPoint, you can always experiment with whatever shapes you want. Okay, good. Now, how do I separate one image into 3 or 4 different shapes? Okay, first of all, definitely, I will make these shapes higher. It's up to your design, okay? But let's say my design, I like to make my image big. All right. Okay. The first thing I need to do, okay, I go to the shapes and then go to shape formats, shape fill, then I choose picture. Okay, in this case, because I'm using Microsoft Office 365, so I have this kind of windows for my insert picture. Okay, I'm going to insert picture from local, from file. So it brought me to my local file. So this is my local file. Insert. And now that image will be there. Okay, the only problem here is that image is distorted. This is not looks like an OD, but this is more looks like a kancil. Okay, a smash one. Okay, how to change this? You go to your picture format. Okay. On your right side, you can see there's a crop. For this crop part, you can choose whether you want to choose fill or fit. In my case, I'm going to choose fill. When I choose fill, that image will become like that. But what if I choose fit? It will look like that. Okay, I don't want this kind of image. I want it to become fill. Nice. Okay, so what I do next? I just drag this image to my left a little bit. Okay, just make sure I move it to my left a little bit. Sorry, to my right a little bit. press outside of the box. So now it's okay. That's part of the car. Okay, to make this more simple, what I do, okay, I just turn off the outline, okay? What I do, I just copy this one and put it out like that. Okay, there. I just copy. Maybe if you ask me, hey, Nizam, how do we do copy? Okay, how do you do copy? There are a few methods that you can do copy and paste, okay? First, you can select on the object, copy, Control C, and then paste, Control V. That is also a method. Or you click on that object, you hold on Control, click and drag. That is also something like a copy. And you just move this box to make it like that. Looks nice. Then I just copy again. I make like 2 or 3 more boxes. Okay. Just click and move again. Just make 2 or 3 more boxes. It depends on the size of that image. Okay. All right, good. The only question is, how do I make sure that the width between this object is the same? Okay. I click on the first object, hold on Control, go to the second one, go to the third one, go to the fourth one. Okay. In this case, I go to shape format. Okay. In shape format, I will go to align. From align, maybe I choose distribute horizontally. So now, basically, the width is the same. But now the image of the car, click in the image. You go to picture format. Okay, you go to picture format. And then you go to crop. When you choose crop, you can see those images. Move it to your left a little bit to fit with that car. Okay, ngam. Click outside. It's like cut out. For this one, I also do the same. Crop. Okay, and drag this image to make sure it fit with my first car. Now I can capture the back part of that car. Done. Okay, as I tell you, it depends on your image. In this case, I don't need the false image, just delete. You don't have to ask me how to delete. Okay, I click this one, I click this one, and this one, and I move it to my right. There you go. Now you have something like this. Good. It's okay. And you can put whatever text you want, okay? Let's say you have your own title, your own content. You want to take your content from anywhere you want. Yeah, that's up to you. Okay, that's the first one. Good. Okay, if you ask me, Nizam, why don't you just do everything and then group them and then paste the image inside that? The only problem is if I do that method, I cannot change the feel or fit for my crop. That's the only thing. Okay, now here, another one. Okay, let's say I want to create something like this, and I have a set of vibrant colors that looks very nice to me. Okay, and that image or that color, I found it online, and I want to pick those color to be used in my presentation. Okay, so as usual, I will start with a blank layout. Guys, I tell you, in PowerPoint, please do not do this. Don't select and delete. Please do not do that, and please do not practice that in your presentation. Okay? Or else you will face more problems with your slides. It takes time for you to create any kind of slides. Okay, good. So then what's the best method? The best method is, okay, you don't delete. You go to home, you go to your slide layout, then you choose blanks. This is the right method. Okay, that's no different, right? They both are blanks. Yeah, there are actually totally difference between these two. Okay, example, if I use this method, which select and delete, okay, the problem is if I try to reset my slides here, that box will comes back. This is the reason why when you try to share your slide with your friends, suddenly on top of your friend's slides, there is another content or placeholder or title, you will have redundant title or placeholder. Maybe you will face this kind of problem. Yeah, if you face this, even though after you delete this box, because basically you made a mistake, you don't delete those boxes. If you want to become blanks, choose blanks. Done. Okay, because PowerPoint knows what you are doing. Okay, you can lie to your friend, but you cannot lie to PowerPoint. Okay, so now I want to start with a blank one. Okay, blank. Okay, so I start with a box, a very simple box. I go to insert, I go to shapes, and then I go to box. Then I draw a box. One box. Okay, I want to have around 5 or 4 boxes. Yeah, one, copy. You still remember the method of copy and paste, right? I hope you still remember. Okay, 2. Okay, 3. 4. I want 4. 5. Sorry, I want 5 colors. Okay, good. Just do that. Okay, so to make sure everything looks okay and everything is arranged correctly. So I just normal. I just I just move here and there. Just move these boxes here and there. Okay, select all the boxes, and I go to shape format. From there, I will remove my outline. There is no outline. Okay, and then like normal, I will go to align. I will align to bottom. Okay, all right, and maybe I will change the size of this box to make it smaller, or yeah, whatever it is. I will try to fit it out. Okay, I click here. Then I go to shape format again. I go to align. This time, because I choose only one object, it is automatically aligned to your slides. Align to your right slides. Okay, selects everything. Okay, then I go to my shape format again, align, distribute horizontally. Okay, let's say, hey, Nizam, but the size doesn't look nice. You can always change the size. Don't worry. You can always change the size. Okay, yeah, you can always, don't worry about that. All right, so align again, and then align to my left. Select everything again. Just make sure everything looks nice and good. Distribute. Good. Okay, now the only problem is I want to choose color. Nizam, all the color in here doesn't look nice. It doesn't fit with my expectation. I want to have colors that more vibrant. Guys, that's where you need help of Mr. Internet. In my case, I'm using Bing. If you want to use Google, it's up to you. You can use whatever browser you want. Okay, I use Bing. Why do I use Bing? Because I'm teaching Microsoft, so I need to use Bing. Good. Now, guys, okay, let's say. So what should I type to find those color? Guys, you click here. Okay, just go to color palette. Okay, color palette. Okay, that's my color palette. So color palette. Okay, so in this color palette, if you go to images, these are the color palette that you can find, and all of this color palette can be used by you. Okay, it depends on your mood. Let's say if you want color palette for web design, color palette for proposal mood, for whatever mood you want, so you can have from here. If you don't have your own color palette, okay, if you don't create your own color palette, you can choose. Okay, let's say in this case, I think I like this retro style color. Yep, I like this color. For me, it looks nice for me. But if you want to change to any other colors, you can always, up to you, you can find any other colors you can find from here. In my case, I want this color. What I do, I copy this image. Then I go to my PowerPoint. What I do next, I just paste, pump. Okay. So now paste already. But the thing is, I want to have this color. If you paste this image directly here, the only problem is that there is an image. There is an image. There is not an object in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So now, how do I apply this color into these boxes? Because it is impossible for us to know. Let's say if I click here, I want to choose the first color here. I go to shape format, then I go to shape fill. Actually, you cannot find from here. The best you can do, you go to this image, you go to shape format, okay, you go to shape fill, PowerPoint is good because it gives you eyedropper. You choose eyedropper and you point to that color, it will choose that color. Plum, it even told you what is that color. I click here again, go to shape field, go to eyedropper, pick the second one. You know, it also tells you that color is indigo. Guys, can you see there's RGB 666684? Those are the code you can use anywhere in your PowerPoint, in your Adobe, or in your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any other software that need you to insert color into that particular color, because you don't have to find by yourself. Okay, I click there, there's an indigo color. Okay, good thing about PowerPoint is it tells you what is that color. So for men, you don't have to worry about mixing out colors. Sometimes women, they like to speak their own color language. We don't understand. Believe me, I also a man. Okay, I go to dry dropper again. I choose the third one. That one is green. But Nizam, it doesn't look green. It's green. It's green. Click here again, and I go to eyedropper again. I just do one by one. Palm, I can use it. Nice. Here also same color shape fill. I go to eyedropper and I choose the last one, which is what they call it as red palm. Nice. Good. So I am able to find those color in this image. Nice. Okay. So if you want to design something with color, you want to make something that looks like very nice, choose an image, put it outside, and pick colors from there. Okay, you pick color from there. Guys, this is only applicable for presentation. When we talk about corporate colors, please don't use that method. Please, if you are using corporate colors, if we are talking about corporate colors, you have to follow the RGB code of that color. Okay, I'll show you one example. If I go to here, I'm looking for an RGB color, just an RGB color for maybe RGB color for, yeah, I choose color there. Okay, there's my RGB. Okay, I choose one. Okay, guys, you see, in any of this image, if I click there, okay, can you see there's red? R255G0B8 orange is 2551280. Okay, if I want to enter this code, where should I enter this code? You go to your PowerPoint. Okay, you go to your PowerPoint. In your PowerPoint, maybe I choose an object. I insert an object. Here, just insert an object. So for this one, I want to change the color. Where to fill the color? You go again to shape fill. Okay, you go to your more fill colors. Okay, this is your RGB. This is where you should type that code. Just now, the code is for orange, 255128 and 0. So I go here. I just type here as 25525. No, sorry, 255. Okay, 108. Sorry, I got short memory. 128. Okay, good. 128. 128. Then 0. That is the orange that you found. So for your company, if you have your own corporate color, you choose from RGB. But remember, if you want to do for your presentation, look for RGB. If you want to do for printing, look for CMYK. Cyan, magenta, yellow, K is black. Remember, screen, RGB, printing, CMYK. All right. So this is how we can do this, right? It's nice. It's nice. So this is about colors and choosing colors to put in your slide. Then Nizam, how to put text? How to put text is very simple. Maybe that text you can find from any other slide or anywhere. Okay, maybe I just choose this text. Okay, I just copy that text. Just go to my PowerPoint. This one, I know everybody know how to read. Pump, paste. So that is my text, like a normal one. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so I just choose this one, pump, and then to your left. That is about color. How to put color in your slide. Okay, how to put all the text lah, how to animate lah. I know you know how to do the animation in your slides. Okay, I know you know really well how to do colors in your slides. Okay, guys, if you are using Microsoft Office 365 or you are using Microsoft Office 2021, you will have a new type of transition. Okay, you will have a new type of transition. Yeah, a new type of transition. Let me show you. Okay, I choose an image. In this case, I choose these three images, which is the sun, the earth, the moon, and also the sun. Okay, how do I get the image? Definitely from Mr. Google, from Mr. Bing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that how to insert the image. I know everybody knows how to do that. Then I paste pump. Nice. Okay, I just change the size to make it looks like, yeah, more manageable. Okay, so I just rearrange everything lah. Okay, I just do this. Maybe I just put my moon. I put my moon maybe over here. Well, okay, here. Maybe something like this. Okay, Nizam, how about the background? I want to have a good background. Okay, I want to have a dark background. Yeah, guys, you want to have a dark background? You go to your design there. Okay, and then you can choose from your format background here. Okay, or you can choose from your variants here. In my case, I will choose solid fill, color. I tell you, this is a good tip for your presentation. Avoid using black. Okay, avoid using black. You use dark gray. It looks better. Okay, let me tell you something. This is our screen. Okay, this is our screen. In our screen, basically, there is no black color. Yes, there is no black color here. Even though if I go to the shape field, I choose the darkest or the blackest color. The blackest color, huh? You see, they move everything, okay, to the most black. You see the value? 0, 0, 0, 0, mean there's nothing. Okay, guys, this is not black. Okay, that is not black. Yeah, bear in mind. Then what do I see? There is actually no electricity to that pixel. In this pixel, this is a pixel, your screen got pixel. So in your pixel, there's no electricity. So it's something like blackout lah. They become black. It is blackout, no current at all. All right. So that's why if you use black in your presentation and you try to print it out, it doesn't look nice. Okay. Because in your screen, on your screen, there is no black. You only have RGB, red, green, blue. But when you print it out, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, K is black. So that's the thing. So remember that. Okay, guys. So let's see. This is my moon, sun, and earth. Okay, I want to do a good transition for this one. Okay, maybe. Okay, so for these tips and tricks to do a good transition, first thing you need to remember is if you want to copy this slide, okay, the one that is existing right now, you don't copy and paste. You don't insert new. You duplicate. This transition only can be used when you duplicate. Okay, so what I do, the first one, okay, I just duplicate from here. Whether you can right click, you go to duplicate slides, or you just press Control D. All right, what I do next, I move my earth to here, make it bigger, move my sun smaller, okay, and maybe I put my earth here, maybe I move a little bit my, yeah, moon, still small moon, make this one bigger. Okay, again, I duplicate again, pump, okay, so now my moon will be here, it will become bigger. Well, okay, my earth will become smaller. Nice. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Moon here, and my sun, maybe I put it away because it's too hot right now, so I just make it smaller. Just move it away. Okay, remember, all of this, I do it by duplicates. Okay, what I do next, I click all of these 3 slides. Then I go to transition. Then I choose morph. Okay, what happened? And how does it look? It looks like this. When I go next, okay, so this is how morph transition works. And you can be more creative with this. Okay, maybe you want to try something new. Oh, Nizam, I want to put some text here. Can I put some text? Yes, you may, guys. You may. All right. I want to show to you one method of copy and paste. Okay? It's a good method of copy and paste. Most of the time, people use copy and paste by doing Control C, Control V, and then goes back, Control C, Control V. Remember, my slides here, I have 3 slides. Then I need to copy 3 items from 3 slides here. Remember? So I need to do copy and then paste, copy and then paste, copy and then paste multiple times, at least 3 times for this slide. Remember that? Okay? Guys, I want to show to you how to do a more effective method of copy and paste. You can use it in your work. Okay? This is a very good trick for you. Guys, now, in your PowerPoint, let's say in my PowerPoints here, I just minimize this one. Okay? Any software of Microsoft Office, you definitely have home there on your left side. That's definitely home. Can you see there's a clipboard there? Most of people, they don't use this clipboard. You click here, there's a small button there, palm. It will show you clipboard on your left. Maybe you have clicked on that button, but you don't know what's that. You know what I can do? Because I want to copy this word, Earth, Sun, and Moon. Normally, you will do one by one, right? In this case, because you turn on your clipboard, you click here, you copy. You don't have to paste. Okay, you click here, you copy. Means the whole text here, you select, sorry, this one, you copy. Go to the sun, you click here, okay, then you copy again, okay. Go to your moon, you click here, and then you copy again. Guys, hey, but Nizam, there's nothing I see from here. Don't worry. If you still worry, you click to the moon, okay, and then you copy. You see, there's a moon. That means whatever you copy, you don't have to directly paste it. Most of the time, we will try to copy and then straight away you paste. The only problem is we don't know what we are copying. Okay, so for this clipboard, you click here, you just read whatever you don't want. So now, I go back to my PowerPoint, my second PowerPoint here. Guys, if you look at this one, I still have home, and I still have this clipboard. If I click here, that's my clipboard. Okay, let's see. I click one of it. I click this one. Okay, I click anywhere in this slide, and I click pump. Hey, again. Sorry, that is Earth. I click here, pump. Hey, that's sun. Let me put it here. So if you want to use it, just click here and click. It will automatically be in your slides. So you don't have to worry, okay, about how to copy one by one, 20 slides I have to copy. No, guys, use this clipboard. It's only that this clipboard have limitation. It can hold up to 24 items only. Good. See here? When I try to present, palm. This is the sun. Next. That is my earth. Next. That is my moon. Good. Guys, I have a good news for you. Maybe you tell me, hey, Nizam, but the thing is, I cannot see anything I copy here. Definitely, because that text is actually in white color. That is my mistakes because I put white color. But let's say, if I go to my Excel, I know you know Microsoft Excel very well. I know you all are very expert in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Let's say I start a new one. Guys, in Microsoft Excel, try to take a look. You also have home, right? You also have clipboard. You also have the same button, right? You click there. Hey, those are the things that you copy from your PowerPoint. That means if I click here, that's the text. Hey, but I cannot see, yeah, because it's white. If I change it to become an image, so that's an image. Okay, so you can change whatever you want in there. Okay, let's say I try to be very good here. Okay, I go to one text or one anything. Okay, I go to here. Okay, I want to copy certain text from here, guys. You see, this is my browser. This is my browser. I want to copy this text. Maybe, let me open one thing. Okay. I know, sorry guys, I cannot buy this car, so I just can just berangan only. This is quite expensive. Okay. You know what I can do? I want to copy this text. Just select. Oh lama, accept all cookies lah. Okay, I just select this text. Okay, copy, done. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, you go to the second text. Copy, done. You don't have to worry about pasting. You go to this image, you right click, you copy again. You don't have to worry about anything. You go to your PowerPoint. Those are the things that you copied previously. Okay, these are the things that I copied previously. So if I want to use it, what I do, I just click here, the ODRS8 there. Or if I change this to title and content, I want to put this text in my title here. Just click pump. That is my title and title. It is my content. I click there. That is my content. Guys, I want to change. I want to put image on this right side. I go back to my layout. What I do next, I go to these two content layout. You see, and I click here. Oh, but there's no image, Nizam. Okay, guys, if you cannot see, if it show you preview not available, there is two reasons. Maybe the first one, the owner of the website did not allow you to copy any image. Or secondly, because maybe the image is very big, it's too big, so your browser did not fully downloaded it yet. There are two possibilities, but don't worry. I just click there. Sorry, click. Ayo, tak keluar pula. Click. Okay, so if you see these things, maybe because that website didn't allow me to copy that image. Okay, so if they don't allow, it's okay. You can find any other image from online. Not only you, okay, or not only OD have that image. Guys, you go to, let's say I go to OD. Okay, I go to image. This time I want to copy one image from here. Okay, this image. Oof. All right, just wait for a while. It will load. Right click. I copy this image. This time, I go to my PowerPoint. Because that website allow me to copy that image so I can see the preview here. Click. That's the car. And if you are using Microsoft PowerPoint 365 or 2021, in your menu here, you have design, you have designer, right? And it will try to generate ideas for your presentation. Guys, just choose from here any idea you want. Oh, I want to make it looks like this. It looks nice. But why there's nothing here? Yeah lah, because this is just text lah. Okay, so what I do, maybe I try to shape format lah. This is the one that I'm telling you about. Okay, so maybe you change the font color lah, because the font color basically white. See, the font color basically white. Or you want to choose this one, then you can remove the formatting lah. Yeah, it's up to you. That's your method. It's up to you. Whatever method you want. So in this case, now you know you can do a good copy and paste in Microsoft PowerPoint. Good, guys? Good, Okay, good. I hope that, because that one is helpful, very helpful. Hey, you go to your PowerPoint, you go to your Excel, also got the same thing. You want to paste, just click and it paste in your, in your Excel. What? Because it's too big, I cannot see. Just see this one. Okay, guys. So that is how you can handle your PowerPoint properly. That is how you can handle your PowerPoint properly. You can create this kind of image. You can choose color from color palette. You can use transition, which is the latest, the hottest one, which is morph. And you can play lots of method in morphing. And also you can do spatial copy and paste in your Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are at the last 15 minutes of our session. I want to ask you one good question here. Okay, even though I know maybe you are not really can interact with me, but it's okay. Okay, I close this one. Okay, this is about Microsoft Excel. Okay, I don't want to save this one. Okay, good. Guys, do you know what is this? This is basically a pivot. Okay, this is basically a pivot, but this is not our normal pivot. What I meant is, you know, this is your slicer, this is your slicer, and this slicer controls your objects here, your graph. It controls your graph. Okay, I know. Okay, I think there's a message. Let me check the message. Oh, Vrinachin. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, you see, but this is a special pivot lah. This is not your normal pivot, but it's okay as long as you know. Okay, have you seen anybody present their pivot report in PowerPoint? Most of the time, you see people present maybe graph like this. I think I have one. I'm not sure that I do it or not. Okay, not this one, not this one. Yeah, not this one also. Yeah, no, sorry, no, I don't have that here. Okay, maybe you saw people are presenting one graph in PowerPoint. Okay, maybe another one is a table in their PowerPoint, right? Okay, and I tell you guys, there are people who do this method. You know how do they do it? They copy one graph, and then they copy and then they paste into their PowerPoint. That's how they do it. The only downside of that method is it only change the data. But if you change the style, the colors, or anything in your Excel, it doesn't reflect in your PowerPoint. That's the things. It won't reflect in your PowerPoint. Okay? So what you need to do, you have to change color from your Excel and then go to your PowerPoint, change the color one by one. That is because you do copy and paste method. Okay? I will show to you in these last 10 minutes a method that you can use to present both, or not only both, but all of your graph you see in here that you have presented properly and nicely in your Excel. You want to present this into your PowerPoint. Okay, you want to present all of that, not only one graph like this one. This is only one graph, guys. Oh, so now what you do next? Yeah, you know, this one, it only link to the data, but not the style or anything. Okay, so you click here, all right. Hey, Nizam, normally I do this, I copy one by one, paste one by one. Guys, come on. We don't do paste one by one. Come on. If you paste one by one, remember, you have 4 charts here, and you want to paste one by one. Why not you present all in one time? Yes, you may do that all in one time. You have to paste one by one. Okay, let me show you this method. Okay, first of all, you have to have an Excel, definitely. And make sure you know where you save your Excel. So don't forget where you save your Excel. If you forget, I cannot help. Okay, guys, you see. So this one, this is my Excel, and I arrange my reports to make it look nice like this. For me, this one looks nice. But if you don't think this is nice, I'm so sorry with that, because this is a functional graph. I click Ali, show Ali. I click Lim, show Slim. I click Mutu, it shows Mutu. I remove all the filter, remove filter. Guys, you see, this slicer, it control this chart and this chart only. Okay, and this slicer, it control this chart and that chart only. See, I click on February. Only these 2 chart change, but these 2 did not. I click here to Lim. Only these 2 chart change, but these 2 is not. Okay, this is quite a special method of creating a pivot here. Okay. Later. Okay. Later we show you how to do it lah, because we only have one hour. It's not enough. Okay, guys. First, save and make sure your last scene in your Excel is this. Make sure your last scene is this scene. Save it. And if possible, save it locally. Okay, you save it in your local drive if possible. All right. If you tell me, Nizam, no, I have to save in Panda, then that's not really that help. Will not really help you lah. Okay, in this case, I just check. I just check. I save this in my desktop. Okay, good. You see, remember it's my max. Okay, just turn off this one. Save and close your Excel. Done. In your PowerPoint, you go to insert. Remember this. You go to your right side, you'll find object. If you cannot find object, maybe because of our screen size is different. Okay, maybe your object is on the right side. Maybe the arrangement of the font of the icon is different. But believe me, it is because of our screen size. Okay, but I know that's my object. I click there. Okay, wait for a while. That's because we are running few items at one time. Okay, now you will be prompted. You will be prompted with this window. The first window is create a new one. If you want to create something new, hey guys, if you choose AutoCAD drawing, that means once you draw items in your AutoCAD, automatically it will be shown in your presentation. Live presentation like that from AutoCAD change, presentation that change. But no, I don't want to use that method. I'm using create from file. Okay, and I'm going to browse for my file. I know just now my file is my max. Go to browse. Okay, and I go on my desktop. Here's my max. Hilang pula. Here's my max. Just click OK. Pump. Guys, read this text. Insert the contents of the file as an object into your presentation so that you can activate it using the application that created it. That means it is like a shortcut. Do you want shortcut? No, you don't want shortcut. I want visual. I don't want shortcut. If I want to use shortcut, I can use hyperlink. Yeah, the last one is here. The one here you see is actually something like hyperlink. You click there, it go there. You click here, it go there. Something like hyperlink. Okay, but if we insert the content of first an object as an object, I don't want object. I want it to become a link. If I choose link, inserts a picture of the file contents into your presentation, the picture will be a shortcut to the file. So the changes to the file will be, you see, so that the changes to the file will be reflected in your presentation. This means your PowerPoint, you snapshot your Excel and put it in your PowerPoint. That's what it means. I click OK. Wait for a while, just let it do its works. And now you see, guys. Come on. Faster, please. Don't do this to me. Okay, guys, give it time to try. Because we are running multiple apps at one time, right? Oh, it's long already. It's okay lah. Please don't do this to me. I hope you can install. Give a second, guys. Wait for a while. It shouldn't take long. Like in my case, it took long time because because we are running Zoom and we are running multiple apps at one time. Hey, hey, hey! Suddenly it's here. Suddenly, guys, that is all of our graph. That is all of our graphs. So I can present all at one time. Okay, I can present all at one time. I want to show you another trick. If I double click here, you know what happened? It will brings you to the source file. Just give it a second, give it time to try, because now my PC are running on multiple sources, multiple resources. Okay, so because we are running Zoom, we are running our apps, this and that. Okay, if I'm not running any Zoom, because Zoom nowadays it started to eat up all your RAM. Okay, I don't have enough RAM in here. Just give it a second, guys. It opened my file. Remember the file name? Yeah, in this file, I turn off Ali. Okay, I tick on Ali. You see, the whole reports here is about Ali. Oh, I know another reason why does it become slow. Okay, so this is about Ali. This is also about Ali. It changed, right? And down here, no change at all. But down here, I choose to January. Okay, see, this all is about January. January, I change. I save. Okay, I save. Just let it save first. Then I close. Guys, look at my PowerPoint. See, only Ali. Nizam, what about Lim and Mutu? How can I present them? It's very easy. You click the first one, duplicate, pump. Duplicate already, right? Go to the one that you duplicated just now. Oh, man, how to make subtitle? Okay, sure, my Sarah, I will answer to you after this. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, just double click here. It'll open the back my Excel. I cannot do multiple things right now lah, because I hope that it won't make my Excel crash and everything crash lah. Okay. Okay, sorry. I take note about your question, my Sarah. Nice, right? If you have subtitle at bottom, right? I also like that features, because sometimes I went to a company that have, let's say, like okay, let's say I went to a company which have a Japanese audience. Okay, yeah, it's easy. They also can understand the language. Okay, just let it run for a while. Guys, here I just changed it to Lim. I changed to Lim. Okay, lama betul. It's okay. Okay, save and please, bro, please don't do this to me. I want to answer my Sarah now. Close. There, you see? The first one for Ali, the second one for Lim. Okay, now I want to answer the question. Okay, okay. The first question from Nur Amalina. Okay, no, from Siti Maisara. Okay. Okay, so Siti Maisara is very easy. If you are using 365, you go to slideshow. Okay, there is always use subtitle on your right side. Subtitle settings. You can choose spoken English, United States, subtitle language Malay. You want to change to other language? Yes, you may. You can change to Filipino, Finnish, French, German, Greek. Guys, good news. Let's say if you are speaking to Bangladeshi people, because sometimes maybe you have new workers from Bangladesh. Here also got Bangla language. You got Filipino, you got Finnish, French, German, Korean, Lithuanian, etc., etc. Nice. Okay. All right. So here. Okay. One more. Okay. The question is, hi, could you show how to do animation of a still object? Animation of a still object. Okay. There are lots of methods for you to do animation of still object. If you say animation for still object, okay, Miss Jiva Jyoti, okay, this box also a still object. Okay, this is also a still object. Okay, but I want to give you something more fun. Not only animating still object, You also can animate moving objects. This is the moving objects. Okay. This is actually a video, Miss Jyoti, Miss Jiva Jyoti. What I do, I just go to animation, choose any type of animation you want from here, just apply that animation. That's all. Choose any animation from here. You want to come flow in or everything. Okay, anything. Okay. Let's say I want to animate this box all together. Okay, I just choose one. Then I go to animations. Okay, I choose fly in. But in this time, I wanted to fly in from, yeah, maybe I choose from my bottom. Okay, from bottom. This is a still object. Okay, from bottom. This is from bottom up. So now I want to apply the same animation to all other slides or all other objects. In my animation, there is animation painter. Paint. Okay. Paint. Paint. Come on, please paint for me. Okay, and then paint. To make this more interesting, okay, this one from bottom, this one from bottom. Okay, so these two will be from top. So effects option, I choose from top. Then, once you have set that, you turn on your animation pane. Okay, change the start. Let's say here start, I choose after previous. And I increase the duration. So what happened? Okay, when I try to present, nice, huh? Ha. Okay, good. Thank you, Miss Jevajati. Okay, I got one more question, which is how to choose the sheet in Excel. We have multiple sheets like yours. Okay, Miss Umi, it's very easy, Miss Umi. Imagine this is a screenshot. So whatever last seen in your Excel, that will be in your PowerPoint. So that means, okay, you insert object first, and then let it be like that. And then you duplicate it again. You double click on that object like what I have done for this one. Okay, it will open your Excel, right? In your Excel that opened by your PowerPoint, you change to the second sheet and then save and then close. So your second slide will be your second sheet. So you duplicate again. I hope it helped you. Is the subtitle can be used during physical presentation? Yes, my Sarah, can be used during physical presentation. Can be used in physical, and it is for physical presentation. You know, I use that slide, I use that things actually for my Japanese client, and it helped them a lot, and they like it. Okay. Well, I know you learned all that, right? You learned all right. So now you know PowerPoint can do lots of things. You can do lots of things. And if you got any question regarding class or anything, you can contact with Excel Academy. Okay? Is there any other question before I pass my mic to Mr. Kunalan? Oh, if there's a picture, okay, Jivajati. Okay, let me answer one more question from her. Okay, you have a hands, Okay, whoever want to it, Yeah, Miss Razida, this is not the class. This is just some like preview only. Okay, now I will answer for you also. Okay, I will answer. I will show to Miss Jeva first. Okay, so example lah, Miss Jeva, this is the hands. Okay, this is the hands. Okay, just add animations. You want it to wave left and right. You don't use normal animations here. Okay, you choose for this motion path. You use this motion path. You can try to experiment on motion path here. Because motion path, let's say I have arc, so it will move like that. Okay, it will move like that. Or, oh, maksud apa pun hasil. Okay, so yeah, all right. So, or, Miss Zeva, you can go to this website to find animated images. I can suggest to you 3 websites you can use for your presentation. The first one we call as Pexel. These are all free. You can use that image for commercial. Okay, this is Pexel. The first one is Pexel. Okay, free. You boleh pakai saja. The second one is yes, Unsplash. Okay. And the last one, I forget actually the name lah. I forget the name. Okay. And the last one is, I forget about the name. Okay. Animated GIF. Okay. This one also good for you. Not that. No, sorry, I forget the name lah because so many names already. Okay. Sorry. Not Tenor. Not Tenor. Yep. Pixabay. Remember. 3. Pixel. Okay. Let me type here. Pixel. Okay. Another one is Unsplash. These are all free. Last one is Pixabay. Yep. Okay. So one more. Amalina asked me. Amalina. If I want to make poster, it's Excel. It's PowerPoint group. Okay. Amalina, if you want to do digital poster, PowerPoint, okay. If you want to do printed out poster, you don't use PowerPoint. If you want to use Microsoft product, you use Microsoft Publisher. And if you want to use Adobe product, you use Illustrator. Do not use Photoshop to create poster. Use Illustrator to create poster. Remember, whatever software you want to use, if you can, doesn't mean you should. All right. This is quite interesting, no? Okay, so now I will stop share my screen. So I hope whatever information that I show you here helpful and it can give you good information. All right. So I will pass my mic back to Mr. Kunalan. Welcome,
Thank you for guest sharing, Mr. Izam.
Yep, welcome.
Okay. Now let me share about our upcoming training sessions. Okay. Okay, sorry, technical issue. Okay, for confirm public training for June, first of all, we're providing a chat GPT and AI tools, mastery, digital marketing professional, next. Canva design bootcamp, AI tool for content creation and marketing, Microsoft Excel data analytics and visualization, digital marketing masterclass, Microsoft Excel intermediate and advanced level. For July, we're also providing Microsoft Power BI and digital marketing masterclass. Sorry, SEO and SEM. For thank you and for the certification, you can provide through the NTW portal. And thank you, Mr. Nizam.
Welcome, guys. Nice knowing you all. Okay. Have a good day and have a good weekend. And bye-bye. Kunalan. Where's Mr. Kunalan?
Yes, sir.
No picture of me.
Okay. Sure, sir. Technical error, sir.
It's okay. Just joking lah. Okay.
Okay.
I
Thank you,
nampak
sir.
Kunalan dah pucat.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. See
Bye.
you. Okay, bye.
Bye.